welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Welcome back again. I'm back again with another new tutorial, guys. So today's DIY is all about this, our almighty crown auto-gele. Some people call it almighty crown auto-gele. Some people call it auto-gele crown. However, this is what we are going to DIY. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. I'm on Instagram at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. I'm on Facebook at DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload my video, you are going to see all my notification, and press on the notification bell so that it's going to notify you whenever I upload my video. Let's get started with this tutorial. All my videos are free to watch on my YouTube channel. All my video is not for sale. Don't let anybody scam you. My video is not for sale. My video is free. Okay guys, my video is free. Let's get started with this tutorial.
To start with your auto-gele crown, you're going to need the fabric of your choice. You're going to need your tape rule. You're going to need your scissors. You're going to need your pen, and you're going to need your pin. So here the material you can see now is 7 inches wide and 90 inches length. This is what I cut on this fabric, because when you are using ashoke is 7 inches wide and I use 90 inches length. So when you are cutting ashoke, that is the same thing. You just cut your 90 inches. The wideness of ashoke is already 7 inches, and I have two pieces of 7 inches wide and 90 inches length. That is what I'm going to use in this tutorial. I fold it into two, to the wrong side out, the right side in. I fold it into two like that, and I'm going to sew it the way I'm showing it now. That's why I'm going to sew it. I'll take it to my sewing machine and I'll go and sew it like that. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sew it like straight down like that. And when I start sewing it like that, when I get to the middle of it, I'm going to stop. Then I'll start from the other side as well. I'll stop and I start from the other side, and when I get to the middle, like on 2 inch, I'll stop again, because I need to turn out what I have sewed. You see, I need to turn it out to the right side. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn it out. If you are using ashoke, it's going to be hard, because it was hard as well to put this fabric out. The fabric I use here is this cordro fabric. Any thick fabric would do. So I pull it out like that. You see, I pull it out like that. You see, you just pull it out like that. Pull it. And if you don't have a thick fabric, you can use soft fabric and use a facing to face it, so that it's going to make it hard, because you need the hard fabric to use here. So I've done that. I've done both. I have ironed it out. So you can see the way I fold it into two. You see the way I fold the two fabric into two? Yes. And I'll start folding it like triangle. Guys, be careful here and look at what I'm doing. I'm going to be working with the 3 angles here. The first angle, that's the first angle where my hand is. And the second angle is what I'm going to force, you see. Then the third angle. So what I'm folding here is like triangle. Then I'm going to fold the third angle now. And you see the third angle. Yes. So with this, the way you're folding it, you can use any angle. The one you're seeing under is not part of it. That's just the edge. So you start like that, you see. I fold it too much. You have to make it like triangle. You have to make sure it's the same as the one under it. You see. So you have to be the same as the one under it, you see. So you fold it again. You'll be working with the 3 angles. See, just be careful. You can make it wrong when you're doing it. You try again, then you will get it. You see, I fold that. See, then I do this. The second angle. You're working with 3 angles here. That's how you can get what you want to do. You work with 3 angles, and I continue like that. You see, I just continue like that. That's what we are going to do. You just continue like that. Very simple. Take your time. If you made a mistake, try again. You are going to get it. You see, guys, just continue like that, and make sure you make it a bit tight. you know, a bit tight. If you are using a soft fabric, make it tight. But if it is ashoke, it's definitely going to tight because ashoke is hard. So just continue doing it like that. Continue doing it like that. Continue doing it like that till you finish. You see, just do it. And that's it. You look at it now, you see it's coming out. You can use any of the 3 angles to be on top. And that's it, guys. Till I get to the end of it, that is what I'm going to do. Just going to do it 3 square, all the 3 angles. You do the angle 1, the 2, the 3, which is in the bottom, and you make sure you use your hand to adjust it. You see, guys, very simple. Then you're done. Then you take your pin to just secure that. You see, you just secure it there with your pin. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I cut this 10 inches length and the same 7 inches wide. Then I fold it the way I fold that one. I bring it out, but this one I did not secure it in the edge. You can see the edge I've got hole in it. So I'm going to tack it with the crown. With the crown base, I'm going to track it with the crown base. You see, I fold the edge in like that, and the remaining fabric that left there, I'm just going to tack that inside. I'll tack it with it to make a stripe. I'll tack it to just make our stripe, the one we are going to use to tie it. So I just tack it down like that. As you can see, I tack it down. You see what I tack there, and that's it. So I've already made my base. I'm not going to show how I'm going to make the base today because I don't want this video to be too long. I've already made my base. If you want to watch the video on how to do auto-gele base, I'm going to leave a link under this video so that you can go and watch how you can make your base. So, and if you know how to make base, just make your base. I'm not showing how to make base here. So I just start tacking it down because I've done it the way I want it to be. You see the way I show that it's going to be, that's how you do it. Then now I'm stacking it down. I'm going to tack it down with the base, with auto-gele base. So I'm just doing the base. You can use any base you want. You can use the V base, you can use the zigzag base. It just depends on you. So any base you want to do, you just do your base. So, and if you want to watch how to do base, I'm going to leave a link in this video, under this video. Click the link and that link will show you how to do the base. So I'm going to tack it around like that. After tacking the front, I'll tack the back as well. So I'll tack the back. And don't forget, with this crown on top, you can use any side that you see that is neater. Not that which side can I use, no, any side. You can use any side of the, because it come when you finish, it come in 3 sides side. So you can use any side out of the 3 side. So I start tacking it like that till I finish. So that's it. I start tacking it like that till I finish tacking it. And that's it. And I secure it. I secure it when I finish tacking it. So you tack it round like that. That's just it. You tack it round like that. Then that is our auto-gele. Then I'll secure the tacking. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to rock it. I put a stone on my own. You can put stone. You can do whatever you want to do. So I just use my Velcro to tie to secure it at the back, and I'll take the edge of the one inside, fold it in. Then I use my stripe to tie it. Tie it as tight as you want. And that is it, guys. You can see this DIY is so simple and it's so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share my video with family and friends. Thank you for joining me. Leave a comment for me if you enjoyed this video. Let me see your comments and let me see how you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and catch you up in my next video. Bye.